how you can create a Steam account. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first thing you'll want to do is install Steam. Make sure that you've installed Steam, and after you've done that, just open it up. Now just let it load, and after it opens up, I'm just gonna add an account. After doing that, since I don't have an account, I'll just tap on create a free account. Now after you tap there, the sign in option will open up. Now type in your email address. Now after you type in your email address, type it in again to confirm it. You can just simply copy and paste it. Choose your country of residence and just do the CAPTCHA. Verify that you're a human. And after the verification process, just select this terms and conditions and tap on continue. Now check your email address for a verification email. Now let us open up our email. Now there you can see I have a new Steam account email verification. Tap on it and tap on verify my email address. Now after you do that, return back to your Steam. And now you need to choose an account name. Now choose a password. Now after you choose a password, make sure that you confirm the password and tap on done. Now you have created your Steam account. Now just log in with your email and your password that you just created. So after you hit your email and password, you'll get logged in into your Steam account and you can use it. So that is basically it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye, take care.